These are the last examples that are on page 39 in your notebooks. And these are also dealing with the Polygon angle sum theorem, but none of these examples involve regular polygons. So, but nevertheless, the rules regarding the Polygon angle sum theorem still apply, okay? All right, so let's do this. Let's start with this first one. So this first one, in all of these examples, the first thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to at least find out what the sum of the interior angles of the polygon are, because they're all different polygons. So this first example has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a hexagon, okay? So this is a hexagon. So we are going to first of all find the sum of the angles of a hexagon. Okay, so that's what we're going to do first. So hexagon would be, we're using this formula, n minus 2 times 180. So there are 6 sides on a hexagon. When you take off 2 of the sides, that would form 3 triangles. And 3 times 180. Oh, sorry. Not 3. My bad. 4 times 180 is going to give me 720. So all of these angles right here have to add up to 720. But there's one angle that we're trying to find the missing angle for, okay? Now this one right here, we don't have a measurement written, but you know if there's a circle or a square right there, you know that's a 90-degree angle. So we know all of them except for this x. So to find x, I am going to be able to set up an equation, because all of the angles together, x plus 90 plus 124 plus 150 plus 93 plus 130 add up to 720 degrees. And then from here, I just have to do a little bit of calculation. So I can add up all of those numbers there, and that's going to give me x plus 587 equals 720. And then I just have to subtract 587 and I will have the missing angle measurement. And again, you can use a calculator if you need to. 720 minus 587 is 133 degrees. So that would be the measure of that angle right there, 133 degrees. Okay? All right, now this next example has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So this is a septagon. So when it has 7 sides, I'm going to plug that into the formula. And I'm going to get 5 times 180. That's going to give me 900 degrees. Now, I don't know any of these angles. I know this angle is x, x plus 50, this angle is x, this angle is x, and these 3 right here are all x plus 50, okay? So altogether there are 1, 2, 3, 4 angles that are x plus 50. So I'm going to write it like this, so I don't have to write so much to begin with, okay? And then there are 1, 2, 3 x's. So at that point, I'll just write plus 3x. So that way I'm not actually writing x plus 50 plus x plus 50 plus x plus 50 plus, okay? I don't want to keep doing that, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and kind of do it in short form. And then from here, I just need to distribute. So 4x plus 200 plus 3x equals 900. And then I'm going to combine the like terms, 4x and 3x. That would be 7x plus 200 equals 900. And then subtract the 200 from both sides. I get 7x equals 700. So when you divide by 7, I'm going to get x equals 100. That's the value of the angles that have just an x. Okay? All right, now the last one, look at where these angles are located. Here is the polygon right here. It's a four-sided thing, kind of like a trapezoid. But all of these angles are outside. So that means that all of those are exterior angles. And the theorem we learned is that the sum of exterior angles of any polygon, that never changes. The sum of the exterior angles is 360 degrees. So that means all four of those have to add up to 360 degrees. So x plus 16 plus 3x minus 1 plus 5x plus 6x equals 360 degrees. And then I just combine my like terms. So this is 1x, 3x, 5x, and 6x. 6 and 5 is 11. 11 and 3 is 14. 14 and 1 is 15x. Then I have positive 16 and negative 1, so that would be positive 15 equals 360. So 15x plus 15 equals 360. So now I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. And 360 minus 15 is 345. And when I divide by 15, I'm going to get that x equals 23. So those other formulas we used on that yellow page all had to deal with mostly regular polygons. This time we don't have regular polygons. And so that changes a little and makes you have to do some things a little different. Okay, so you should be able to fill in your notes for that last page now.